Hi guys, welcome back to Faye Vids. You know you can get suppers as a meal, Samoan suppers, and today I got a supper. So this is what it came in it. See, there's the chicken, it's like a barbecue chicken, and I've got egg foo young, and that's like chicken omelette. I'm gonna show you all the good stuff. Look at that, looks lovely here. Okay, anyway, this is the meal I got today, because I like to support whenever the Pacific Islanders are doing their food or selling anything that's, you know, like fundraising and stuff. So I like to support my people. Anyway, I got about 7 suppers today, so this one's my one. So I thought I'd do me a little mukbang and get you all like wishing you can have some too. So here goes, guys. Just the egg foo young. And as usual, my glass is fogging. There. Sorry guys. And enjoy it. Got potato salad. Oh, and I've got apple juice today. Get a nice crunchy cucumber. It reminds me of Samoa. When they sell their food, they always have cucumber. Freshly, These are noise, guys. My kids are in there spring cleaning. It's a Saturday today, so I appreciate the people that make this. Quite yummy actually. I don't even think I can finish this. Next minute. Nope. It's like a lamb curry. Quite tasty too. Don't you just love it when you open up a supper that you purchased, and then they put all the love and care on the preparation and what they put in it? I love it. My sister and I, we used to make food at home and sell it, and it done pretty good. Excuse me. And back then, what year was it? We're way over 10 years ago. Probably 15 years. See how long it was? Anyway, her and I, we would team up, just herself and I. And then we'll split what we have to do. Like this week, I'll do the kalo, and some other dishes like roast some chicken legs and drumstick and stuff like that, and a chow mein, and then she'll do like the potato salad, supper soy, and then another dish, and then we'll meet up at her place, and then we'll start. We got to make sure that, you know, like, you start cooking, make sure it's good, and then we get together. I take the food over to her place, and then we plate it up, and then those that's already put out their order, we'll deliver it to them. That's how we used to do it. And even when they're at work, we used to take it to their work, or there'll be a driver. If only we get a driver is when there's someone available to do it. So we'll start it early in the morning, cooking our food. Come 12 o'clock, everything's cooked and ready. And then the drivers just come, pick up, and we're going to drop it off, and then they deliver their money, the money, and we'll just pay them their petrol and a free supper. That's why now quite a lot of people are doing it, but back then it was only me and my sister that was doing it around here. This is actually good. Okay guys, oh look at this, look at this, look at this. It's a barbecue chicken. Oh, and it's a nice huge one too. Oh man. Well, I look great. It's got flavour in that chicken. I know what the flavour is too. Very nice. Excuse me. I got some cookies. My daughter bought cookies, and I opened it. So, but then I used the peg just to close the mouth so it doesn't get soggy. But those pegs are so handy when you want to close up your chips and stuff that you've opened up. The chicken's actually nice. The curry's nice too. Oh, I'm talking about curries. I got a request to make a curry, and I will do it. Chicken curry. I'll try and see who asked me. I don't mind, you know, to make it and then eat it, and if I don't feel like making it, I'll just go and buy it, because there's some island shops around, or some other shops. It doesn't have to be island shops, it can be. Okay guys, I'll just see who asked me to do it. Okay, let me have a look. Okay, the person that requested for me to do Samoa Mukbang is Taylor NS. So Taylor, you asked me to do Samoa, I will. I'll do it for you, okay? So thank you for that. I have to get my curry. All my curry. Everyone's got different hands, how to make it. Like people, well, some people are so good at making the curry. A friend of mine, she lives next door to these Fijian Indians, and we were having a drink one time. I don't drink much. Wink wink. Anyway, he brought some over. You know, he came out to hang out and have a drink and brought some curry. Oh, it was so lovely. I don't know if I was hungry or, but then again, you know, sometimes alcohol makes the food taste ooh la la. But he brought that curry and he said his wife made it. Oh, so lovely. See, the thing is though, I don't know how to make it so lovely because that's their kind of food. Faye. Green banana, guys. Whoever made the supper, good on you. It's so lovely. Oops. I've got to take another bite into this chicken. Oh nice. Okay. I'll tell you what I think this marination is. It's, I'll take a wild shot, wild guess. I could taste pineapple. There's pineapple and it's been seasoned to taste. But there's definitely pineapple in there. So I don't know, it doesn't look like it's marinated in like crushed pineapple or anything. I think they just used the juice because I can't see any pineapple. Okay guys, hello. Look how lovely that meat is. It's not even dry. So good. Tomato. I'm gonna mess it up. And the seafood salad. Do you mind? Okay. Have a bit more. This was actually $10. It's good for $10, you know. Very good. Yeah, I went to pick up my suppers from this hall, and the churchmen and women are sitting out in the front before the supper's ready to be picked up. Very polite people, asking me, "Maro, mai oi," and that means, "Hello, how are you?" I think about our culture, Samoa. We're very, friendly. We just get annoyed easily when, people don't, like everyone, people don't treat you right, some will walk away and some, well, anyway, that's them, but, Do you notice I always use a lot of tissues to eat? Okay. You know guys, this food is so delicious, but I think I better leave it there.